Hi, I am Mrs. Moravchikova. I'll show you how to make delicious crispy fried corn. Let's get started.
First, add the corn to a bowl. The amount depends on how many servings you're making. Next, chop up some green onions. Then, add some crispy batter mix. If you don't have it, don't worry. You can just use regular flour and an egg to help the corn stick together. Next, add the chopped green onions, a pinch of salt, and some pepper into the bowl. Remember, cooking is an art, so trust your taste buds and season it the way you like. After that, pour in some water and mix everything well so the ingredients stick together nicely.
After that, pour in some water and mix everything.
Now that the oil's hot, scoop a spoonful of the corn and green onion mix and gently drop it into the pan. Shape it into little round pieces. You can make them any size you like. When the fritters are golden on both sides, gently take them out and let the oil drain. Serve them with chili sauce, ketchup, or mayo. I hope you have fun making this easy recipe. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to support me. Thanks so much. My name is Mrs. Moravchikova.